Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you a simple Samsung feature that can save your mobile data by letting you choose exactly which apps can use it. It is called Allow Networks for Apps. And once you know how it works, you will never waste data again. First, unlock your phone and open the setting app. You can either scroll down to find it or swipe down and search setting in the search bar. Inside setting, tap connections. This is where you control all your Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth setting. Next, tap data usage. Here you can see your total data usage and control how apps connect to the internet. Scroll down and tap Allow Networks for Apps. This is the feature that lets you decide whether an app can use Wi-Fi, mobile data or both. Now you will see a full list of your installed apps. Tap any app you want to restrict and select Wi-Fi only. This means the app will not use your mobile data at all. It will only work when you are connected to Wi-Fi. You can do this for heavy apps like YouTube, TikTok or big games to save lot of data. For example, I have set YouTube to Wi-Fi only. Now if I try to open it, when I am on mobile data, it will not load, so I cannot accidentally waste gigabytes by watching videos. And that's it. With Allow Networks for Apps, you can easily save your mobile data and avoid surprise charges. Try it out today and let me know in the comments how much data you have saved. If this tip helped, give it a like and subscribe for more Samsung tricks.